You see what I dey talk? This one at my house, like this one. All those places when you leak. That rain of yesterday, very heavy, with heavy breeze. You see the, you see all those one, never felt job before. My first time to experience it. To experience it. See, if you check out now, you'll see on one side of the house. It depends on the side when the heavy breeze from the come. Depends on the size. Like the other ones when they by the left. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Yeah. This one on the kitchen. Most of the place don't dry. Like here now, yes, it should say it's soak. See this one. See the water for ground. This one a roofer. This one a roofer house. Like the POP now. POP if it don't dry. Okay, I just say being assisted with my experience. Not be you see.
Yeah, don't bust.
See this one. This one don't bust also. This one a continuous leakage. That make them bust. Why those one? The rest now the due to the heavy breeze. That leads to that one. Like this one where your balls now. You see this one a continuous leakage. Now waiting. I need to rectify. Okay, I say me and see the show now with my client. So now my aluminium house. Me I know say no be only now the leak. You see how? That's what it be. Okay.